Alhamdulillah, brothers, we are now passing by the Matwi, and as you see, the mountain behind us is Harra Qusayba, which inshallah we will be crossing upon the Hijrah route, and you'll see rocks placed here and there. This is it's a sign that we are now in the graveyard, with some graves have been here, and these stones are actually signs to show that now we are walking upon an ancient path. Brothers, as you have noticed, we have climbed up the mountain upon those rocks, and as we came upon the top of the mountain, as you can see, this little pathway. So these pathways upon the mountains are very ancient pathways from the time of the Abbasid Khilafat, etc. Also, we see behind us here is the idkhir, which we find in the ahadith. We have now come onto the Matwi, and it's mentioned that the Prophet ﷺ had passed the Sakhra Akha. If you see behind me, there's a huge rocky mountain. The whole mountain is one huge rock, which is commonly known as Mulaysa. This was one verse that was not revealed in Makkah and Medina, rather it was revealed in Juhfa. Jibreel alayhi salam comes to the Prophet ﷺ and says that Allah Ta'ala is saying, Inna alladhi farada alayka al-Quran laradduka ila ma'ad. O Prophet of Allah, do not worry. The one that has revealed Quran upon you, one day he will return you back to your homeland, which is Makkatul Mukarramah. Brothers, this is the border of the province of Makkah and Medina. So currently I am standing in the Medina line, and if I just cross over, I'll be over to the Makkah province. After we crossed Akha, the Prophet ﷺ crossed 3 madlaj, meaning small valleys and little hills. So the first one was Madlaj Lakaf, which we've seen on the left hand side. The second one is Madlaj Mujah, and this is the third one, Madlaj Ta'hin. At the end of this Madlaj, we will be resting by the end of today. Brothers, as we see these signs on these rocks, it's mentioned that these are very ancient signs of the previous nations. There's some signs here. It's mentioned that these are thousands of years old, these signs. The tribes are saying that it's possible from Qawm Ad and Thamud. One of the sunnahs of the Prophet ﷺ, we done one sunnah today, walking a little fast. so nasalan, which is called. One of the sunnahs of the Prophet ﷺ is when he would find an open area with desert sand over on it, the Prophet ﷺ then would remove his shoes and walk a little while without his shoes on. So inshallah now we are upon that part of the land, so we will try and revive the sunnah.